This is my math homework number 24, Wednesday. For number 1, part A, it says a company sells phones for $515 each. What is the total amount of money the company earns from selling 856 phones? Well, this is a pretty easy math problem because we know that it's 856 phones that they're selling, and each one is $515, so it would be 856 times 515. Usually when you ever see the word each, when it comes to this type of math problem, it's going to be multiplication, because each one will be $515. So we'll do the math. 5 times 6 is 30, carry the 3. 5 times 5 is 25, add 3 makes 28, carry the 2. 5 times 8 is 40, add 2 would be 42. Let's go and erase the numbers up top. Let's go and cross out our 5, place our 0, because we're moving to the tens place. 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 8 is 8. Cross that one out. Now we put 2 zeros because we're moving to the hundreds place. 5 times 6, well, it's going to be the same exact number as your first row because it's going to be the same math. It's going to be 5 times 6, 5 times 5, and 5 times 8. So I'm just going to copy the first numbers. There we go. And let's go and add these up. 0, 0, 0 is 0. 8 plus 6 is going to be 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 makes 3. 3 plus 5 makes 8. 4, or the 8 plus 8 makes 16. Add 4 makes 20, carry the 2. 2 and 2 makes 4, and 4 is by itself. So we know that the total money is $440,840. For part B, it says the parts to build these phones cost $189 for each phone. What is the total cost of parts to build 856 phones? So pretty much the same thing. It costs $189, so we'll do 500. Actually, we'll do 856 phones. Each one costs $189. So now we multiply by 189. And let's go and get started with that. We know that 9 times 6 is 54. Carry the 5. 9 times 5 is 45. Add 5 makes 50. Carry the 5. 9 times 8 is 72. Add 5 would be 77. Erase the numbers up top. Let's go ahead and put a 0 once again. 8 times 6 is 48. Carry the 4. 8 times 5 is 40. Add 4 makes 44. 8 times 8 makes 64. Add 4 makes 68. Cross out the other number. Put 2 zeros. Let's go ahead and erase the numbers up top so it doesn't distract us again. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. Add these up. 4 and 0 makes 4. 8 and 0 makes 8. That's 6 plus a 4 makes 10. 10 plus 7 makes 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 makes 16. 16 plus 5 makes 21. Carry the 2. 2 plus 6 makes 8. 8 and 8 makes 16. So we know it costs them $161,784. $161,784 to make their phones. For number 2, it says this table shows the 3 different ways that toy animals are packaged at a factory. So if you look at the bag, they can fill 36 toys in one bag. And then once they put inside the box, you can put 48 of those boxes inside one box. And then in a large crate, you can fit 18 boxes. And it says not to scale, meaning that these pictures are just drawings and it's not to scale. Now it says part A. What is the total number of toy animals in one crate? Well, let's figure this out. There's 36 toys in one bag, and we can put 48 bags in one box, and then in a crate there's 18 boxes. So let's figure, if there's 18 boxes in one crate, and each box can fit 48, then let's go and figure out how many boxes will be in there first. So now let's go and multiply this. 8 times 8 is 64. Carry the 6. 8 times 1 is 8. Add 6 makes 14. Cross out the 8. Place your 0. Erase the number up top. 4 times 8 is 32, carry the 3. 4 times 1 is 4, add 3 makes 7. Add these up. We know that we have 864 boxes. So once again, what I did was I know that in one crate it can hold 18 boxes, and then in a box you have 48 bags. So I did 18 times 48 to give me 864. Now we have to take that 864 and multiply that with 36, because in every box there's 36 toy animals. So let's go ahead and multiply that, and let's go ahead and erase this. Alright. 4 times 6 is 24, carry the 2. 6 times 6 is 36, add 2 makes 38, carry the 3. 8 times 6 is 48, add 3 makes 51. Let's go ahead and erase these numbers up top. Let's go ahead and cross out the 6, place your 0. 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18, add 1 makes 19, carry the 1. 3 times 8 is 24, add 1 makes 25. Add those up. We know that 4 plus 0 makes 4, 8 plus 2 makes 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 makes 2, 2 plus 9 makes 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 makes 6, 6 plus 5 makes 11, carry the 1. And that's a 1 plus 2, which is 3. So we know that there's going to be 31,104 toys in all. So it'll be 31,104 toy animals. So once again, we figure out how many boxes there were by doing 18 boxes in one crate, and inside each box was 48 bags. So we did 18 times 48 to figure out that there were 864 bags in all. Not boxes, I mean. So it'll be 864 bags, and then in every single bag there's 36 toy animals. So we did 864 times 36 to give us 31,104. Now for part B, it says one bag of toy animals weigh 12 ounces. What is the total weight in ounces of the bags of toy animals in one crate? So pretty much we know there's going to be 31,104 toys in one crate. Now each one weighs 12 ounces. So to figure out the total weight, we just multiply all of them by 12. So we know that 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Cross out the 2, put the 0. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. Add these partial products up. 8 and 0 makes 8, 0 and 4 makes 4, 2 and 0 makes 2, 2 and 1 makes 3, 6 plus 1 makes 7, and 3 is by himself. So we know that it will be 373,248 ounces. So it's a pretty heavy crate.